Hi everyone, my name is CM Legend, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of that grinding noise in your Xbox 360, more specifically in the DVD drive. So, first is to take apart your Xbox. It's pretty easy because there's several tutorials that shows you on YouTube how to do it, and after a while you get pretty good at it. So after you've taken it apart, you open up your DVD drive and you should see this. It's very possible that you've already did the magnet thing. Basically what it is that the magnet was stuck onto this part and you had to glue it back here. That's what I did. And it worked for the ejecting problem, but now it's creating grinding noises. Basically what it is that the DVD that you're putting in is in contact with this little part here, the laser part. So because it goes up and down, it hits your DVD and it's making that grinding noise. Alright, so there's several ways on the internet in order to get rid of that grinding noise. There's a rubber band method, there's the spacer method. This actually works, the spacer method. It's just, I don't like it because it's a temporary fix. But I mean, you could do that. There's a girl on the internet that shows you how to do it. I had created mine yesterday and it sort of worked, but I was actually inspired by that video, and I thought that if I could create another way to create space, find another way to create space, it would work. So what I found that you could do, and it fixes permanently, and I haven't seen this solution on the web, so that's why I created this tutorial, is you need to take a little screwdriver, try and zoom in here, and you need to pull these out just a bit. So there's I believe 4 of them all around. So that's it. It's just to take the screwdriver and pull these out, and it will create enough space for your DVD and your laser to work and not to hit each other. So try that. Take those little pieces out just a bit, not too much because you tend to break them. You could break them, but just go like this and just squeeze them out. And then after, what's gonna happen is when you're gonna put your DVD in, you see, it doesn't go all the way down. You have to push it down, and it creates enough space, just enough space so your laser don't hit it. Try that. It's gonna work. It worked for mine, and hopefully it's gonna work for yours as well. If not, then it's probably something else. Probably there's a hardware problem where you have to replace this unit in the middle here, all this part, but it should fix it. Okay, so I just put it all back together. Well, anyway, this the disk drive, and I'm gonna try it just to show you that it did fix it. There we go, very smooth. It's gonna make some sound because the cover's not on, but here we go. Works fine.